Welcome back. Well, it was a spring day across Acadiana. Temperatures topping out in the upper 70s, 78 degrees in Lafayette. And tomorrow we'll probably better that, get close to 80 degrees, provided we see intervals of afternoon sun like we saw today. Let's go ahead and take a look at our sky cams. The darkness setting on town now, an overcast day, but still not a bad day. And that breeze, well, it'll be back tomorrow, stays with us tonight as well. So let's take a look at the big picture. And that breeze courtesy of low pressure troughing in the west up across the northern plains, high pressure off to the east, allowing for a pretty stout southerly and southwesterly flow across the region, and that will continue. And because it's so breezy and also because we all have a high cloud deck across the area at upper levels, fog's going to be hard to form once again for tonight. If it tries to form, it's going to be elevated. So again, maybe a low cloud deck developing tomorrow morning, but that should burn off as we head into the afternoon. And it always depends on the thinness or lack of that high cloud cover, on whether those clouds burn off or not. It didn't happen yesterday, but it certainly happened today, and we do think it's going to happen again tomorrow. All the regional radars nice and quiet into this evening, but we do think by this time tomorrow night we may see a few sprinkles, especially coastal parishes, as even milder and more humid weather moves in. So overnight tonight, breezy and mild, temperatures holding in the upper 60s, mid to upper 60s. Then for tomorrow, we'll see again the sun busting out through some of those clouds. Temperatures upper 70s to near 80 for a high. Gusty southerly winds 15 to 25 at least, maybe a little bit gustier than what they were today. And then for tomorrow night, a few sprinkles. We're stopping it at midnight here and go through daybreak. There's going to be some light shower activity. Here we have a front off to the north of us, but that's not the cold front that we're talking about. That's going to become nearly stationary Friday afternoon. So still warm temperatures in the upper 70s. But lo and behold, here comes our strong front as it gets here by Saturday afternoon or evening. Maybe a few spotty showers. I'm not expecting any storms with this frontal system. Blows on through quickly, and then we see a big change in our temperatures. As for wind gusts tomorrow, once again in the 25 to 28 mile per hour range, maybe a few gusts up to 30 during the day, and then it stays breezy Friday going into Saturday. Here you can see that cold front showing up just north, right along the Highway 190 corridor at noon. It'll get breezy again going into Saturday night and Sunday. Temperature-wise, we hold into the upper 60s to near 70 through daybreak tomorrow, and then tomorrow pushing right near 80 degrees, and we stay just as mild going into Friday as well. 66 your overnight low tonight, breezy and mild. Again, sometimes you'll see some fair skies, a few stars, but clouds will pretty much dominate as we go deeper into the nighttime hours. Maybe a sprinkle toward daybreak at 10%. Then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy and breezy, warm one, intervals of afternoon sun. Temperatures topping out near 80, 82, 83 is the record this time of year, so I think that's safe, and the winds will be gusty out of the south-southwest once again. Into the 10-day forecast, lower 80s for Friday, upper 70s to near 80 on Saturday. Rain chance no higher than 20 to 30%. A few showers Friday, few showers Saturday possibly. Breezy, sharply cooler Sunday. And look at this, a winter chill is back, and temperatures low to mid-30s come Tuesday morning, and we could see frost in the northern parishes of Acadiana, so keep that in mind. I'll talk more about that tonight at 10. Then the temperatures spring back as we head into the latter part of next week and into the following weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.